Hi friends, in this video we will assign IP address to serial ports without using CLM command line. So we are not using any command line to assign IP address to serial port. First you will connect our routers to each other. First you have to click. Now you can say it doesn't communicate to each other. First I will come here and fastnet/1 and click it. And IP version, so I will assign IP 12.0.0.1 submit mask. So okay, no shutdown. Now it will on. So now I will come to another one. So first I will click here, second router 0/1 and assign 12.0.0.0.4. So now it is assigned, no switcher. Now you can see. Now you can see both are communicating to each other. So if you liked video, so comment it, like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching.